Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x over y plus y over x. This is equals to 25 over 12, and equation second is x square minus y square. This is equals to 7. Here we will find out the value of x and y. So look carefully. Equation number first is x over y plus y over x. If we add left hand side, then in denominator we have x, y, and in numerator x square plus y square. This is equals to 25 over 12. Now this 12 is multiplied by x square plus y square. Then we get 12 times x square plus 12 times y square, and this xy is multiplied by 25, then we get 25xy. Here 12x square plus 12y square, this is equals to 25x times y. If we divide both sides, y square, and here y square, and here y square. Students, look carefully this equation. Here y and x is in denominator, so x not equals to 0 and y not equals to 0. Here 12 times x square divided by y square. This is same as 12 times x over y whole square plus this y square and this y square is cancelled out. So here 12, and this is equals to, here this y and this y square is cancelled out, then we get in denominator is y. So here 25 times x over y. If we substitute x over y is equals to t, then 12 times t square plus 12, this is equals to 25 times t. Now this is quadratic equation in terms of t, that is 12 times t square plus 12 is equals to 25 times t. If we take all the expression in same side, then you will get 12t square minus 25t plus 12, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of t. Then 12 times t square minus 25t is same as minus 16t minus 9t plus 12, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common 4 times t, then you will get 3 times t minus, and here 16 times t divided by 40, then we get 4. And here if we take common minus 3, then minus 9t is divided by minus 3, 3t, and plus 12 is divided by minus 3, then we get minus 4, and this is equals to 0. 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4 is common. 3t minus 4 if we take common, then 4t minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Here product of two expression is 0. We know that if a multiplied by b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then 3t minus 4, this is equals to 0, 4t minus 3, this is equals to 0. Then value of t is 4 over 3, and here value of t is 3 over 4. We have two possible values of t. First value of t is equals to 4 over 3, and second value of t is 3 over 4. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. So here t is equals to 4 over 3. This is case first, and we know that value of t is x over y. So x over y is equals to 4 over 3. And here the second equation is x square minus y square, this is equals to 7. X square minus y square, this is equals to 7. Here value of x is 4 times y over 3. So this value of x substitute here, then 4 times y over 3 whole square minus y square, this is equals to 7. 4 times y square, that is 16 times y square over 3 square, that is 9, minus y square is equals to 7. If we multiplied both sides, 9 Then in left hand side, this 9 is multiplied by 16 times y square over 9 minus 9 times y square, and this is equals to 7 times 9. This 9 and this 9 is cancelled out. In left hand side, 16 times y square minus 9 times y square is equals to 7 times 9. 16 times y square minus 7 times 9 square, that is 7 times y square. This is equals to 7 times 9. If we divide both sides 7, then this 7 and this 7 is cancelled out, and this 7 is cancelled out. So y square is equals to 9, and value of y is square root of 9. Then value of y is plus minus 3. Here we have two values of y. First value of y is plus 3 and second value of y is minus 3. And here x is equals to 4 times y over 3. X is equals to 4 times y over 3. X is equals to, this y is replaced by plus 3, then 4 times 3 over 3, then this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out, so x is equals to 4, and x is equals to 4 times y over 3, x is equals to 4, and this y is replaced by minus 3, then here minus 3 divided by 4, here 3. Then this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out, so x is equals to minus 4. Here value of x comma y is, if x is 4 then y is plus 3, and if x is minus 4 then y is minus 3. Now let us consider case second. Case second, that is t is equals to 3 over 4. T is equals to 3 over 4. And we know that value of t is x over y. X over y is equals to 3 over 4. Now x is equals to 3 times y over 4. And equation second is x square minus y square is equals to 7. X square minus y square is equals to 7, and x is replaced by 3 times y over 4. Then 3 times y over 4 whole square minus y square is equals to 7. 3 times y square, that is 9 times y square over 4 square, that is 16, minus y square is equals to 7. Now if we multiply both sides 16, then in left hand side this 16 is multiplied by 9 times y square divided by 16, and minus 16 times y square, this is equals to 7 times 16. Then this 16 and this 16 is cancelled out, and 9 times y square minus 16 times y square, that is minus 7 times y square, and this is equals to 7 times 16. If we divide both sides 7, then this 7 and this 7 is cancelled out, and this 7 and this 7 is cancelled out. Then minus y square is equals to 16, and y square is equals to minus 16. Then value of y is plus minus 4 times I. Here two values of y, that is plus 4i and minus 4i. Y is equals to plus 4i and y is equals to minus 4i. Here value of x is 3 times y over 4. X is equals to 3 times y over 4. X is equals to 3 and y is replaced by 4 times I. Divided by 4. Then this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, then x is equals to 3 times I, and here x is equals to 3 times y over 4, then x is equals to 3 times y is replaced by minus 4 times I and divided by 4. Then this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, then x is equals to minus 3 times I. Here two complex solutions, x comma y is, if x is 3i then value of y is 4i, and if x is equals to minus 3i then value of y is minus 4i. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.